Well, yeah, I actually found a pretty cool map. I finally found the Savannah. Not like real Savannah. Yeah, I did not build it. Although I could do that for a second video, but I actually forgot the price. Yeah, but anyways, we got the Savannah here. We got, what's it called again? I forgot. And then we got kind of not a very good world. I give it like a 9 out of 10. Because we cannot get wood. But also we can get anything we want. Yeah, I found it. Survival mode. Okay, yeah. So I hope this has the animals in it. Okay. Oh, we have a map. So okay, that's cool. Wait. Okay, it's saying point and go this way. Hey, what's in this chest? Okay, a bunch of books. I saw a small video. So there are probably some animals. Yeah. Oh, what's in here? Oh, armor? I'll take it. These animals are literally strong. So we got to be prepared. For them. And what's in this chest I see here? Oh, we got meat. Oh, we got some arrows. We got a bow. A sword. And we got an axe. Okay. Is there any more food down the hallways? Yeah. Is there any more? Oh, there's more and more. More and more. Okay. Yeah, there's tons. Okay, let's quickly, I'm gonna quickly do all this, guys. Yeah, I'm quickly gonna be doing this. Just quick. Let's sprint. I just see a zombie down there. I see a zombie. You know me, I've fought some zombies before, I know. I can even fight them with my fist. I'll just show you by fighting them with my fist. I'll fight them with my fist once I finish getting all these things. Oh no, that was not a good one. I just got a few arrows. Okay. It's even hard. Oops, I got a book. I know I could just get all these books and read them, but okay, that's enough. Okay. Yeah, there's a zombie. I'll kill him. Don't worry. I'll just kill him. Okay, let's see. Oh, there are two. Oh, how was he on fire? Okay, and so I don't technically have to kill. Okay. I do have to kill both of them though. Whoa. Okay. Easy. Let us see. Hey, last video was cornered. That's just lagged it. Okay, but now, gross. I won. Obviously, so let's just get out. Look at this one. Wow, there's a vehicle. Can I hurt the vehicle? Okay. Really? Okay, let's just drive it. Can you drive? Oh, it's cool. I see some elephants. And I kind of played a bit, just a little bit. And apparently there's a white lion. Are you ready to see a white lion? Wait, how do I get out of this? Okay. So apparently that's what I do. Ooh, look at these elephants. Oh! They do some damage. I don't want to die. Okay. Yeah, there's actually a white lion. You cannot trick me with this. Okay. Why are there a bunch of vehicles? I don't know exactly. Maybe for vehicle safety. Maybe one vehicle breaks. I don't know. Anyways, I've heard that there's actually... My friend also plays this map, actually. And he said that there's actually an area you can feed animals, like take care of them. And he said there are quite a few animals, so... Hey, it actually looks like a... Yeah, it's quite a few. Okay, let's see all the animals. Oh. My friend said that there was nothing in this. There was an ant in this. And then there's a zebra in this. There's a zebra. I guess the zebras. Okay, I don't know what the chests are for. But they told me to leash them. Put saddles on them and feed them. Yeah, so that seems like a good idea, you know. Oh. Okay, so... Okay, that was a bad idea. Okay, sorry guys about that. Okay. But anyways, said feed them. And also, if I have some leftover feed, I can make some bread. Which will actually help me. I don't know. Oh, we named them. Okay, then I don't know what to name them. So first, keep a saddle on them. Wait. Oh wait, maybe we have to feed them first. When they're gonna be full. You know, I think they eat a lot, so it's just gonna give them that much. Maybe they don't require saddles. Maybe they don't require saddles, so I guess we'll put the saddles back. And then just leash them. Where are my leashes? Okay. Yeah, I think just leash them. Oops, we don't open them. We don't let them feed. Leash them. And feed. Dude, I'm good. Last one. Oops. Okay, can I get in without him leaving? Yes. I cannot believe it. I literally just did it. My friend also said that there was some ants. So I think that was the one that was in here. Is that the termites too? So in case you don't know what termites are, they're actually like ants, but they live in Africa. And damn it, they bite. The bites are good. So I think we just took care of the zebras. Or the elephants. What's this? Is that mud? No, it's water. Okay, I thought that was mud for them to have mud bath, you know. Okay, so we got... Oh, can we test these? Ouch! Ow! Zombie. Okay. And I just have so much zombie flesh. Okay. Did I just hear a leopard? Did I just hear a leopard? I think I just heard a leopard. Oh my god. What? Leopards? Oh, there's a cheetah. Is that really a... That's like an ocelot. Okay, that's an ocelot. Okay. That's really an ocelot. So what do we have here? Okay, we can test out which one we like the most. And yeah. Oh my god. I don't like it. We are leashing them. Oh no. I really don't like leashing them. I feel like it doesn't feel like it doesn't feel right. For me, for some reason it doesn't feel right. Leash them. Oh, we got a sack. Yeah. I mean, when you're taking them for a walk, they may leave, so you can leash them. Oops. The elephants, anyway, so I guess they won't escape. Yeah. So yeah. Can we ride them? No. Okay. Yeah. I think I have to feed them, maybe, and then ride them. Feed. Wow. I just read them. Are you about fighting? Please don't fight. Just in case I don't want them to fight. Oh wait, this is mud. And this is water. Okay, so like they have mud and water. Okay. That's good. Keep painting animals like that. Okay. Wait, they're gonna have a baby, right? Wait. Aren't they supposed to have a baby? Oh, they had a baby. Okay. Oh, okay. Can I just get off? Okay. Yeah. They just had a baby. Hey. Oh, wait. They're coming to the hay. No, don't hold hay until the baby comes. I need to feed the baby hay. The baby needs to be fed. Feed the baby. Oh, he's getting bigger. Quickly. Oops. Yeah. The baby's getting bigger and bigger. So soon enough he'll be an adult. Yeah, just keep feeding. Oh, I think this is the fastest growth of any animal I've seen in Minecraft. I'm feeding them. Oh, this is a bad idea. But you don't dare get out. I'm gonna go sleep. You know, that was okay. Because it's anyways not bad. I can see a gazelle. Okay, gazelles. Oh no. Okay. He's just freaking out. Okay, that's okay. He's just freaking out. Okay, you got a chest. Hey, you got a chest. Oh. Oh, you got some wheat. I see here. So, unfortunately, we didn't actually finish everything today. Wait, where do we go? Okay, here. Yeah, let's just sleep. Let's just go sleep. Yeah, this is a really fun map. Man, I really like it. But can we sleep? It's nighttime. Can we? Okay. Let's go into prayer mode. The car. Oh. Okay. Dude, this skeleton literally has armor. And what else? Where's that lion I was talking about? The white lion. Okay, they're white. They're albino gazelles. Are those antelopes or gazelles? Are they antelopes? They are, in fact, antelopes. Not gazelles. Antelopes. We got a lion. Who's gonna win this fight? And my friend also told me that they fight too. So I don't know. Oh, whoa! Termite versus. Oh, that's a termite. That's a termite. Oh my god, that termite just killed him. Oh no. Is it a. That was literally a termite versus. I can't believe. That was a termite versus a Enderman. And a zombie. Well, I guess the termite lost that fight. I think the zombie killed the termite. The Enderman got hit, but the zombie killed the termite. Yeah. So, yeah. Let's just look more around the area. See what else we got.